When it comes to kitchen fires, there are cooking and non-cooking risks and best practices to be mindful of. First, when cooking, never leave the cooking area unattended. Don't cook when tired, drowsy, or under the influence of alcohol or medication. Avoid wearing loose clothing that might drop over or onto a heat source. Keep your cooking area free of combustible materials. When cooking with oil, keep a lid handy and clean up any spilled or splattered grease. Keep a fire extinguisher that's designed for use in the kitchen readily accessible at all times. Don't dispose of hot grease in the trash can. Let it cool in the pan and then dispose of it. Don't store anything in your oven. Now, let's tackle some things to look for when it comes to non-cooking fire risks. Plug all kitchen appliances directly into wall outlets. Never use an extension cord or power strip. Check appliances for power cords that are frayed or damaged. If you find one, don't use the appliance until it's repaired. Unplug small appliances when not in use. Regularly check and clean your stove hood, filter, or other exhaust system over the stove. Finally, never use your oven to heat your home. Talk to your Travelers representative or independent agent today.